Good evening, Springfield. Kent Brockman here, interrupting your regularly scheduled programming with an urgent development that requires immediate attention from all residents within municipal boundaries. Approximately 47 minutes ago, Springfield Police Department received multiple reports of an unidentified individual moving through residential sectors of the Evergreen Terrace neighborhood. Witnesses describe a figure matching known resident profiles. Physical characteristics align with human morphology, but behavioral patterns suggest significant deviation from normative social interaction protocols. The entity in question has been observed standing motionless outside occupied residences. Duration of observation ranges between 4 and 11 minutes per location. No attempt at forced entry has been documented. No verbal communication initiated until occupants acknowledge presence. Movement patterns demonstrate deliberate selection of targets. Selection criteria remain unidentified. Behavioral analysis conducted by Springfield PD suggests a consistent operational pattern. The subject approaches a residence, maintains fixed position at primary entrance point, and waits. Upon occupant response, whether visual or auditory acknowledgement, the subject poses a single verbal inquiry. According to 7 independent witnesses interviewed within the past 32 minutes, the question is identical in each documented instance. Are you alone? Tone of delivery described as neutral. Inflection minimal. No follow-up questions recorded. No secondary attempts at communication observed. In cases where occupants declined to respond or closed doors immediately, the subject remained in position for extended duration before departing. Average wait time post-refusal, 8.3 minutes. Springfield Police Department advises implementation of the following safety protocols effective immediately. Do not answer your door to unrecognized individuals regardless of apparent familiarity or stated purpose. Do not respond to questions posed through closed or locked barriers. Do not confirm or deny the number of occupants present in your residence under any circumstances. Maintain interior lighting at minimum functional levels to reduce visibility from external vantage points. Report any sightings or direct encounters via emergency services channels immediately upon occurrence. Chief Wiggum has issued a formal statement that the individual in question exhibits physical characteristics consistent with human physiology, but displays what he terms behavioral anomalies requiring specialized assessment. The nature of these anomalies has not been detailed in official communications. Requests for clarification have been declined pending ongoing investigation. 3 families on Evergreen Terrace report the figure remained at their doorstep for extended periods after receiving no response to the initial question. In each documented case, the subject eventually departed without incident or escalation. Direction of travel noted as consistently westward. Gait described as measured. No urgency evident in movement patterns. No deviation from straight line trajectory observed. Latest confirmed sighting occurred 14 minutes ago at the intersection of Maple Street and I'm receiving updated information now. The subject has been lost from visual tracking as of 11:43 p.m. Last known position places the entity within a 6-block radius of Springfield Elementary School. Search protocols have been expanded. Additional units dispatched to surrounding sectors. Parents and guardians are advised to verify the location and security status of minor children immediately. All residents should secure primary and secondary entry points, including ground level windows and basement access routes. Await further instructions. Do not attempt independent investigation or pursuit of the subject. This is not a drill. This is not a test of the emergency alert system. This is an active incident response communication. I'm now being informed that Springfield Police Department is coordinating with an unspecified external agency possessing specialized resources relevant to this situation. No additional details regarding agency identification or operational parameters are being released at this time. When pressed for comment, Chief Wiggum stated only that this might be above our pay grade and declined further elaboration. Current tactical assessment suggests the subject operates on a pattern-seeking behavioral model. Target selection appears non-random, but selection criteria remain unidentified. No confirmed incidents of physical harm have been reported. However, 3 families who answered their doors and responded affirmatively to the question report subsequent psychological distress and what medical personnel described as acute onset anxiety with persistent monitoring delusions. All 3 families claimed to experience sensations of being watched for hours following the encounter despite no visual confirmation of the subject's continued presence. If you encounter an individual asking whether you are alone, regardless of their appearance, regardless of any claimed familiarity, do not engage. Do not answer. Do not open your door. Maintain barriers between yourself and the subject. Contact emergency services and remain in interior rooms away from windows and external walls until authorities confirm area security. We are continuing to monitor this situation and will provide updates as information becomes available through verified channels. For those just joining us, Springfield is currently experiencing an active incident involving an unidentified individual conducting systematic residential approaches with interrogative intent. Threat assessment remains pending. Recommended posture is defensive isolation until official all clear is issued. This is Kent Brockman. Stay inside. Stay quiet. Do not answer the door. Do not answer the question.